I was given these 3-inch sanding pads as assortment set to try. First of all, the kit here comes sorted with, gosh, I believe it's 80, or was it down to, I believe it was 80 all the way up to, I believe, 3,000 grit sandpaper, which gives you a very, very broad range of stuff to do, even down to body work. Yeah, 3,000 grit. Making sure it was 80 grit was the rough. I was building some shelving and really liked it. It's a hook and loop, so it works on your hook and loop system, depending on what you got for your arbor and backing pad. I have a sponge pad that this is on. What I like about also hook and loop is you can use it with your fingers in your hand, and it is nice and soft to work with. If you needed some detail, obviously your different grits, you can come up with different uses. So I'm going to show how quick the removal is on some of this material. This is obviously just soft pine. I do have a just a drill with the pad. It's going to spin about, I think, about 1,800 RPMs. Just give it a quick show of how fast it removes material. Well, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm really impressed with the quality of the disc and how long they last under the uses I was doing. I was mostly using about 120 and, oh gosh, about 240 grit. I was making some shelving for my van, and this is what I was using to knock down at the edges and soften up the cut marks. Overall, I am highly impressed with this kit, and I would definitely recommend it.